Biopesticides for Weed Control, Effective Strategies. Title: Biopesticides for Weed Control, Effective Strategies. Introduction. Weeds pose a significant challenge to agricultural productivity and environmental sustainability. They compete with crops for nutrients, sunlight, and water, resulting in reduced yields and economic losses. In this article, we will explore the use of biopesticides for weed control and highlight some effective strategies. Understanding biopesticides. Biopesticides are derived from natural sources such as plants, microbes, or minerals. Unlike conventional chemical herbicides, which may have harmful effects on humans and the environment, biopesticides they offer a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to weed control. 1. Microbial biopesticides. Microbial biopesticides use living microorganisms, such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses, to target and control specific weed species. These organisms can directly suppress weeds by infecting or parasitizing them, or indirectly alter their growth and development. A. Bacterial biopesticides. Bacillus thuringiensis, Bt, is a well-known bacterial biopesticide. Some strains of Bt produce toxins that are specific to certain types of insects but have no harmful effects on humans or non-target plants. Bt-based biopesticides can effectively control specific weed species without causing harm to the environment. B. Fungal biopesticides. Certain fungi, such as species within the Beauveria and Metrizium genera, have shown promising results in controlling weeds. These fungi can penetrate weed tissues and cause extensive damage, eventually leading to their death. Fungal biopesticides provide a safe and targeted approach for weed management. 2. Botanical biopesticides. Botanical biopesticides are derived from natural plant extracts, and they can play a significant role in weed control strategies. Plant compounds may exhibit allelopathic effects, inhibiting weed germination, growth, or reproduction. A. Essential oils. Essential oils derived from various plants, such as citrus, clove, or eucalyptus, have shown weed control potential. These oils disrupt weed growth by interfering with their cellular processes. Furthermore, essential oils are easily degradable and minimize the risk of residual toxicity. B. Plant extracts. Different plants contain active compounds that possess herbicidal properties. Extracts from plants like neem, garlic, or cinnamon have been explored for their weed control ability. These biopesticides provide an eco-friendly option to manage weeds without posing risks to human health or the environment. 3. Natural products and minerals. Apart from microorganisms and plant extracts, various minerals and natural products can also be utilized as biopesticides. These options offer effective weed control with minimal environmental impact. A. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth consists of fossilized remains of ancient algae called diatoms. The abrasive particles in diatomaceous earth can damage the exoskeleton of weeds, leading to dehydration and death. It is a natural and non-toxic option for weed control in certain situations. B. Vinegar. Acetic acid, commonly known as vinegar, can act as a herbicidal agent. Its application can disrupt weed cell membranes and cause desiccation. However, it is essential to note that vinegar-based weed control products should be used judiciously, as excessive application can harm desirable plants as well. Effective strategies for biopesticide application. To maximize the effectiveness of biopesticides for weed control, proper application strategies must be followed. Here are some key approaches and considerations. 1. Selection and targeting. Identify the specific weed species causing problems and select biopesticides tailored to their control. A thorough understanding of weed biology, growth stages, and susceptibility to different biopesticides is essential for effective results. 2. Timing. Biopesticides should be applied at the appropriate growth stage of the targeted weeds. Early intervention is crucial to prevent weed seed production and subsequent spread. 3. Application methods. Biopesticides can be applied using various methods, including foliar spray, seed treatment, or soil incorporation. Choose the most suitable application method considering the weed species, crop type, and environmental conditions. By combining multiple strategies, biopesticides can be used more effectively, reducing the reliance on synthetic chemicals. Biopesticides for weed control, effective strategies. Introduction. Weeds present a significant challenge to agriculture and the environment, as they compete with crops for resources and can cause economic losses. Traditionally, chemical herbicides have been used for weed control, but concerns over their impact on the environment have prompted interest in biopesticides as alternative solutions. This article delves into the use of biopesticides for weed control. ND provides effective strategies for their implementation. Understanding biopesticides. Biopesticides are derived from natural sources like plants, microbes, or minerals. Unlike chemical herbicides, which can be harmful to humans and the environment, biopesticides offer a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to weed control. 1. Microbial biopesticides. Microbial biopesticides utilize living microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses to target and control specific weed species. These organisms can directly suppress weeds by infecting or parasitizing them, or indirectly alter their growth and development. A. Bacterial biopesticides. A well-known bacterial biopesticide is Bacillus thuringiensis, BT. Some strains of BT produce toxins that are specific to certain insects but have no harmful effects on humans or non-target plants. BT-based biopesticides can effectively control specific weed species without causing harm to the environment. B. Fungal biopesticides. Certain fungi, such as those in the Beauveria and Metrizium genera, show promise in weed control. These fungi can penetrate weed tissues and cause extensive damage, ultimately leading to the weed's demise. Fungal biopesticides provide a safe and targeted approach for weed management. 2. Botanical biopesticides. Botanical biopesticides are derived from natural plant extracts and play a significant role in weed control strategies. Plant compounds may exhibit allelopathic effects, inhibiting weed germination, growth, or reproduction. A. Essential oils. Essential oils derived from various plants, like citrus, clove, or eucalyptus, have shown potential in controlling weeds. These oils disrupt weed growth by interfering with their cellular processes. Moreover, essential oils are easily biodegradable and minimize the risk of residual toxicity. B. Plant extracts. Different plants contain active compounds that possess herbicidal properties. Extracts from plants such as neem, garlic, or cinnamon have been explored for their weed control ability. Ties. These biopesticides provide an eco-friendly option to manage weeds without posing risks to human health or the environment. 3. Natural products and minerals.